Expert Kaidatin Bakasan no, Biar I don't sing the Katakata video and Bangay.
Also a friend of mine, she's also good. And all of you can see these guys. These guys are really very much well known to the world of music and also into fashion. Not me, but them. Yes. Alrighty. Thank you so much. I'd like to call upon our volunteers to come here on the stage immediately so that we can do the honor as soon as possible. And we have more coming up. We have more music happening for tonight. You can see them, they're huge and smart. Alright, thank you so much. Thank you so much guys for coming in. We've been waiting for you all and it's nice seeing you all. Please come this side. Thank you so much. Guys, call upon the volunteers to come here on the stage quickly as possible. Thank you so much for coming in and being a part of this musical night tonight. Thursday night fever. Although I don't know if we have fever or not, but I'm having fever right now. Like to say something?
Thank you very much, but then thank you for having me here. I hope you all will enjoy this evening. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Lily, for coming in. Just take a seat right there. Okay, we have 4 members right now, but we missed one other member, I guess. I mean, 2 other members. 2 other members, yeah. So these guys are, very good at their music, and you must be listening to them almost all the time. And all of them are folk fusion, I guess. Yes, that's what I call it, as folk fusion. So please let us know more about it and also share us more about your experiences.
Jangan bagi balikan hambai, kah balikan apa tu nak, normal presentation di mana. Ini experience jangan ni pada 2014 sini tu jangan leka music ni journey. Jangan iko cini lagi cini frontman Romeo bawa manjat Malia, cini drummer bawa. Romeo kai bini health checkup ni bagi thango chen ya bini no kai chini drummer ke bini education sai thango LLB symbiosis sabang boleh kena dia manjak kena dia chini nahar mun do iko kok kor sai no tui rugi saka kisana ni ya pun chen kai thango semua pun nahar. Thank you so much for having us here.
Somebody would like to speak in English as well.
Hello, how are you all? Fine, friends. I don't know what to say. Actually, we're very honored to be here tonight. Thank you, Thursday Night Fever, for having us. Thank you, really, thank you so much.
Thank you so much guys for coming in and being a part of this show. Thank you so much. Please take the seat one more time. And we will go back to our music journey one more time. Thank you so much for these people. And thank you audience for being so wonderful to us and listening to us.